I'm here with my testers, and they're getting ready to try out the cookies. Okay, ladies, take a bite.
It better be good.
Better be good. What do we think?
These ones kind of melt in your mouth with the chocolate chips, and they're delicious.
Yeah?
They are.
Now, what do you think about the cranberries instead of blueberries?
I'm not a big fan of blueberries, and I love cranberries, so.
Good?
I think it's a better choice. I like blueberries and I like cranberries, but I think that the craisins made it taste a little bit better.
A little bit better, okay. Now the last thing I need to know is, now I did something also a little different with this recipe. Usually I use a mixing bowl in my hands, and today I did it like Italian wine style. I mixed the dough with my feet. Did that make it better or worse?
I don't know.
Just kidding.